Imagine an AI-powered post-processing solution that spots early process deviations before they affect tool stability, helping you maximize uptime, optimize performance, and increase yield. Pfeiffer Vacuum+Fab Solutions makes it possible. Introducing ARGOS, your new digital assistant. ARGOS AI-powered digital services provide advanced visibility into how your post-processing systems behave without stopping production. ARGOS devices, equipped with sensors and installed directly on your equipment, continuously capture telemetry and vibration data to detect issues in real time, before they cause tool failures or process drift. ARGOS provides 24/7 monitoring of vacuum pumps and abatement systems. Powered by AI, IoT, machine learning, and industry expertise, it turns data into actionable insights to prevent downtime and keep your fab running at peak performance. ARGOS is deployed with your fab IT department on a secure and fully aligned architecture. On premises, it ensures complete control and data confidentiality. Status of pump and abatement are available at all times and are continuously reviewed by dedicated predictive maintenance engineers from Pfeiffer. Assigned to your installed base, they combine AI-generated insights with their expertise to proactively recommend corrective actions. Tailored reports give real-time visibility into fleet performance, enabling clear, data-driven decisions. A predictive maintenance engineer uses risk insights and Pfeiffer expertise to recommend proactive actions. Stay focused on yield and wafer output while we protect your post-processing equipment. Contact us to optimize your fab performance with ARGOS.